joys of no rain. Burnt to crisp. Today, we're going to talk about, can you spray a lawn that is dry? So all my N-Ext DIY friends out there might be experiencing unseasonably cool and dry weather, which, by the way, is going to become unseasonably hot and dry weather. The lawns are drying up, as you can see. This is just what it looks like right here. Can I spray my round of fertilizer out when my lawn is baked like this? If you're doing your applications out of a backpack sprayer, then I would say no go. When you're spraying it out of a backpack sprayer like that, you're just not going to have enough water. Now, you can put a little less product in there if you want and put a little bit more water in there. What I would prefer is if you're spraying out fertilizer, which a lot of you around this time in cool season land, if you're using the Greene Charge product, you'll probably be spraying that out at around 16 ounces per thousand, which will give you 0.33 pounds in, or you're spraying 1801, which will give you a quarter pound in, if not a little bit more, depending on how high you want to go with that product. I prefer to spray it out of a hose end sprayer. There's a couple of great options out there. There's the Ortho Dial-In Spray. Greene County Fert, we have our own hose end sprayers that you can use, that you can actually buy pre-packed with the products. Or if you have the gallon jugs on hand, you can actually make a hose end sprayer out of the jugs and it'll do the job. It'll spray it out just fine. And one thing I like to do as well, as a little bit of a precautionary measure, especially when I'm spraying lawns that are a little bit dry, because I am a professional and I have to do this sometimes when the weather doesn't permit, is I like to go over the lawn once more with just water. That way I can kind of water it down. If you'd like to check out some videos that John over on the Lawncology channel made about hose end sprayers, I recommend you check those out here. And if you click this button right here, something magical is going to happen. Let's just say you'll be seeing more of me and Chuck as we show you how to have the deepest, darkest, greenest, thickest lawn with the N-Ext products.